Right guys, so today we've loaded everything up onto the van. We've come down to my sister's place. We're going to use her driveway today. We're putting in the MaxxFans. So we've got a full day today. Hopefully tomorrow we'll get around to doing the windows as well. So first job is get up there, give it a good clean, and then we can start cutting. Right, so we've got the frame here. This is where the fan's going to go. So we're just going to mark this out. I'm going to drill a hole in the corner so that I know where inside I want it, and then we can go up on the roof, give it a good clean, and then start cutting this out with the jigsaw. Right, so we know where that's going. Right, 4 holes drilled. Just got to get up there with the frame, mark it out on the roof, and start cutting it out. Right, so there's our holes. Gonna line this up, mark it up, and then we'll start cutting it out with the jigsaw. Okay, there we go. Ready to start cutting. Wish me luck. What could go wrong? There you are. Top tip, get yourself a deburring tool. Nice and cheap on Amazon. Does a good job of deburring. Just treating the bare exposed metal. Just so we don't get any rust later on. Red oxide primer.
It's going to drip this side.
You won't see this, so it doesn't really matter if it's what colour it is. I'll just stop filming for a moment. screw it on.
There we have it. One Maxxair fan installed. All we've got to do is leak test that one. There's another to go on the back. Job's still not done. At least we've done one. And it's not raining. Right, on to the next one.
So that's it, we've done the finished the fans off, we've put the surrounds on, it's all taped up nicely and all connected up, so all works nice. Next job is the windows. We've got two windows at the front, one at the back, and we'll do those next time, so join us for that. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that you don't miss any future videos, and if you've enjoyed this one, you find it helpful, just give us a little thumbs up because it does help the channel. So, till next time, see you later.